Everyone, I am Rakshit. Today I am going to tell you about the method deep freezing. Deep freezing is a very cold place. When we keep dals, pulses, meat, fish, etc., it becomes frozen because the water present in the food turns into ice. That is why germs cannot grow in very cold places. And we can also keep fresh food for several months in deep freezer. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Shakshi Mudli of class 4B. Today I am telling one of the oldest methods, drying. Water content is completely removed from food and sealed in packet to protect from moisture present in air. Example, kishmish and almonds. Thank you.
My name is Shivanshu Verma. I am from class 4A. Today I am going to tell you about one of the methods to preserve food, which is drying. Drying is one of the oldest methods to preserve food. By drying, the water content in food is removed. The dried food is sealed in packets to protect it from the moisture in the air. Chilies and grapes are dried to preserve them. This is what a dried chili looks like. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Siddhant Singh of class 4A. Today I am showing a method to preserve food. The method is refrigeration. The temperature in a refrigerator is very low. Germs cannot grow when inside it, so we can keep vegetables, fruits and cooked food for a few days inside a refrigerator. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am and my dear friend. Myself Azumar Kanya from class 4A. Today we are going to talk about several ways to preserve food. There are many ways to preserve food. Refrigeration, deep freezing, drying, canning and bottling using preservation. Today we are going to do food drying is one of the oldest methods to preserve food. Since drying make the moisture in the food and make them lightweight. Today we are going to do an experiment. I have these red chilies. We'll sprinkle some of the chilies. After 1 or 2 hours, the sun rises the water in them, making them dry. Now, then we will take an air container and put some red chilies in it. So this is how we do dry. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Anaya from class 4B. Today I tell you one method of preserving food, that is drying. So I have some chilies here. We will put in heat and see what happens. So after some time these have dried. So this is the method of how to dry our foods. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Anusha Deeprai. I study in class 4A. Today I am telling about refrigeration. Germs grow well in warm and moist places, but they do not grow well in cold and dry places. The temperature inside refrigerator is very low, so germs cannot grow inside it. It also keeps food fresh for a few days. For example, fruits and vegetables. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Raitya Mehoti from class 4B. Today I am going to tell you about deep freezing. Deep freezer is a very cold place and it is a preservation method. When we keep fish, meat, peas or any vegetable inside it, they get frozen because the water present in these items turn into ice.
and we can use the stored food for several months because the temperature inside it is very cold and germs cannot grow well on it. That's why the food doesn't get spoiled also. Now I'm going to show you some items which are used to keep inside it. First one is corn. We can keep corn inside it. As you can see, it is frozen as the moisture is now, as the water in this is frozen now because we have kept it is nice. Second is peas. Thank you.
Hello, I am Parithi Agnivesh of class 4. Today I am going to show you the method of preserving. These are some vegetables. I will keep them in the refrigerator so that the germs cannot grow on them easily. This was the method of preserving refrigeration. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Hello everyone, my name is Ranjal Ashwal. Today I am going to tell how to preserve food by using refrigeration. Germs grow well in moist and warm places but not in cool and dry places. So we can keep things in refrigerator. I have some apples and some veggies. We keep these all things in a refrigerator. Like this. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Everyone, my name is Sonakshi Tiwari from class 4B. I am showing you one method about refrigeration. Germs grow well in warm places but they do not grow well in cold places. The temperature inside a refrigerator is very low. That's why germs cannot grow in refrigeration. We can keep our fruits, vegetables and the cooked food in refrigeration for few days. I have taken our fruits, little bit cooked food and the vegetables. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sparsh. I study in class 4A. Today I am showing you the method of drying. Drying is one of the oldest and cheapest method. The water content in food is removed. The dried food is sealed and packed to protect it from moisture in air. The dried chilies and grapes are used to preserve them. For example, chilies, dried grapes, fig and dates. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Vedant Shrivastava. I study in class 4B. I am going to tell you one of the methods to preserve food, deep freezing. In deep freezing, the water contained in the food turns into ice, so germs cannot grow. One of the examples are lemon ice cubes, corn and peas, and ice cream. We can put food for several months in deep freezing. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mayank Yadav of class 4. Today I will tell you about food preservation. Food preservation is the process of treating food in such a way to prevent from getting spoiled. Let's check out few methods. Number 1. Using preservatives. We prevent pickle by keeping them in oil or vinegar. As you can see, pickle preserved in oil. Hey, do you know why I kept apple in refrigerator? Yes, you got that right. Number 2. Refrigeration. Germs grow well in warm and moist places, but they do not grow well in cold, dry places. So we can keep vegetables, fruit and cooked food fresh for a few days in refrigerator.
Hello everyone, I am Manan Rajput. I study in class 4A. My topic is refrigerator. The food is kept in refrigerator to keep them fresh for a longer period of refrigerator in very low to protect the food from sponge. They are kept at low temperature so that it cannot grow at such temperature and they die. In this way, the food is kept fresh for a longer duration. Some food items that can be preserved in a refrigerator are pickle, milk, and curd, vegetables, and ketchup, etc. Thank you.